Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is me Sriniti, and I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded a new video. So today I'm here to talk about October favorites. Let's get started. So the first thing, also I hope you all are doing well and get started. So first things first, I would like to talk about the skincare. So this and it is from one of my favorite brands. So it is from Plum, and you all know how much I love Plum, because the only reason why I love Plum is because it is vegan and also cruelty free. So I really love using vegan and cruelty free brands. So Plum is one of my favorite brands for that reason, and this one is a toner. um, so this one is a rose water toner, and also it also has hyaluronic acid in it. And since I'm using a moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, I thought this toner would be really good. So the work of a toner is to soothe your skin and tighten your pores and give it a glowy look. So it just instantly refreshes your skin, so that's why you need a toner. So I've read a lot of debates wherein they talk about whether you really need a toner or not, but I think it's really up to you to use it's really up to you to whether use a toner or not. So as far as I am concerned, I don't use a toner on a regular basis, but I do use it, and I like using it especially while going to bed, because it also clears the extra dirt on your face after washing your face. So yeah, so this one is for all skin types, and we all know the importance of rose water on our skin. So yeah, this was for rupees the actual price is 225, but I got it for 180 bucks or something on Nykaa. The other one is these oil absorbing sheets from Miniso, and I cannot tell you how much I love this product, because I have very oily skin, and as long as I'm inside the house, my skin is okay, but the moment I step out, my skin secretes too much of oil, and it just my face turns into an oil secreting machine or something like that, because I really wanted this one so badly, because using a hanky is it's not, I don't feel that hygienic, because every 10 to 15 minutes you keep dabbing your face with a hanky, and the next time you again use the same hanky, where you just transfer all of the oil back to your face again along with dirt, and which is not really healthy for your face. So these mini oil absorbing sheets are really good. So it has 70 pieces, and it is for rupees 190, and I'll just show you one. Oops. So this is how the sheet looks. Okay, this is how the sheet looks, and I can show you now, and I'll just show you. You'll just have to dab it like this. Ouch. It's just gonna absorb all the excess oil from your face, but I don't think there's gonna be oil now, because I just washed my face, and Okay, yeah, there's not much of oil from my face now. But there is, I think you can see it. It's just gonna, um, you know, remove all the excess oil just like that in seconds, and face just a few seconds, a few minutes back, it's like oily only. So I think you can see it. So if you are a person who has oily skin just like me, then please do buy it. It's gonna be a real savior for you, and it's really useful when you like go out. It's and the next one is my favorite. So I got this from a local roadside vendor. This is just a glass bottle which has a fairy light inside and also some colorful balls like this. Okay, so the moment I saw this, I really wanted to buy it because it was really cute. I'm a girl who really loves these little things, so I enjoy buying things like these. So there's a on off button on top of it, and it has a battery, so you can change it whenever it's gone. So yeah. So I like to just turn it on for a while before sleeping. This just gives me a peace of mind. So I really like this, and I got this for 100 rupees. So the next one, is a plant. So it it is a ZZ plant. I think you all know, or you all would have heard about this plant. This is an indoor plant. It doesn't need a lot of light to survive, and also doesn't need a lot of water. You'll just have to water it, like, whenever the soil is dry. So yeah, so it's been 6 months since I got this. So I got it with just one branch like this, and this is a new one that's popping up. Can you see the leaves? So the beauty of this ZZ plant is it just doesn't give one new leaf, but it just gives a bunch of leaves like this. So all of this grows together from this branch or stem. So this one is like actually like the cycle of a butterfly. So this one was like a cocoon at first, and now the leaves are coming out. The beauty of this ZZ plant is just it grow all of these leaves grow together. I mean, it's like the cycle of a butterfly, where it turns from a caterpillar to a butterfly. So where it makes a cocoon and then pops into a butterfly. So it's just like that. All of these leaves will be inside this one stem, and they just pop out together and grow together. So that's how it is. So I really love how each and every plant is different, and how much a plant brings happiness and peace inside the house. And I got this from a local nursery here nearby. Okay, the last one that I wanted to show you was these boxes. Oops. These boxes from Amazon. So I got a pair of these and a pair of these. Okay, I think you can see the difference between the sizes between these two. So two of these, and Another one is here where I've put all the these are in a rectangular shape where I've kept all my skincare and stuff, and this one is a square shaped small one, and two of these, and this size, it's quite bigger than the other four. So yeah. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really liked this video, then do subscribe to my channel, and yeah, like this video if you really liked it. Also, these Instagram filters are really deceiving but also really pretty at the same time. I don't know if at all my skin was like, if at all and this filter is called Sparkle Glow, and it's nice.